And there's my TV set. I've had this for about 9 years, and last night there was a power surge. My Insignia TV has, I think it's bit the dust, because the red light comes on, but it won't come on. So I'm thinking that it's done, so we're going to have to go get a new one. It had problems a few years back where I'd hear the power supply going snap, 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 and it kind of went away, so probably power supply's gone in it. So maybe I'll end up eventually getting a new TV, but we're just going to use a small TV for now because I'm working for the next 6 days. So here's my TV cabinet set up for now. I got this little 20-inch TV hooked up where the big TV was for now until I'm able to go out and get a new TV. Hopefully they're not too expensive. I want to get something more compatible with my ZGamma H7, because the problem now is I've connected my ZGamma H7, and part of the problem with the software with the ZGamma is you have to go and tweak the settings when you want to do that, and you have to do that with it connected to your network router, so that's a bit of a problem. That's one thing I wish there was a fix in this receiver. If you switch between TVs, it sometimes doesn't work on that TV. It'll say not supported. So anyway, I'll figure that out. I'll just go into the settings, go into the web settings and configure it that way. But they should be really, with ZGamma, next time they make a receiver, the people over at ZGamma, have a button on your remote for people who have like different TVs, different parts of the world, where they can just kind of go like something like this. I've had other receivers where they had that, which also was a pain too, having that on the remote, because sometimes you'd accidentally hit it and you'd get not supported on your TV screen because it would be in a different region. But anyway, yeah, so it's a bit of a pain because you have to go onto your web browser settings to configure it. But I'll get that done. It just takes time to do that, like anything else. And yeah, so we'll watch this. I never took the tape off this thing. I've had this on here for years. There, like new now. I've had this TV for years. The funny thing is, this little TV, it actually has a better ATSC tuner in it. I can just have it connected there to the back, and I've showed this in the videos of how to set up a TV. This thing actually has a more sensitive tuner, so it's a smaller TV, but it pulls in sometimes it pulls in very weak signals, and I get them on this TV where I don't get them on anything else. So it has a very good sensitive tuner on this Dynex TV. Is this the remote for it? No, this is an Insignia remote. But actually, this Insignia or whatever the Best Buy Future Shop brands were, these TVs are pretty much the same interface, and the remotes work without having to really configure anything, so that's a good thing. So on the big TV, what happened was I could still plug it in and had the red light, but when I tried to turn it on, it just would not come on, unfortunately. But hey, we got 9 years out of it. I guess somebody let me know in the comments if you've had a TV. Oh, let me know in the comments if you've had this problem with the TV, if you had it last on you. 9 years for a flat screen, I think's pretty good these days. But the old console TVs we had growing up, they lasted over 20 years. So, and those things were too bad we couldn't get like a flat screen type console TV, but that probably cost too much money. That'd be something kind of cool to have in the living room. So please give this video a like, share, subscribe, a little update on my channel and what's going on these days. And so stay tuned for the, I'm hopefully going to have that 4-foot dish up and working soon. And on top of everything else, this thing here in the oven kind of blew on us, so I'm going to have to learn how to change out one of these. There's the 4-footer. So an update on the 4-footer. I've got the pole mount all set up, and I put it in this bucket here with concrete just so that the pole will hold up and to level it, because I wanted a non-penetrating roof mount, but you can't find them with a 3-inch pole, so this is what I ended up doing. I was going to use a basketball net thingy, but I was able to find this. And this was able to be what I've got for the pole. So it's in a work in progress. I was missing a part. Tech 2000 sent me the part for the actuator that was missing, so we're going to set that up and have that going. There's a wasp flying there. I don't know if lightning struck the antenna or near around here because it caused a surge to the home. Guess this is how much rain we got last night. And there's that pail there, filled up with rain. I don't know if it got a little off the roof or whatever. So according to this, I got about 2 inches of rain last night. It's quite the thunderstorm, and nothing was on the radar. It was a pop-up thunderstorm. Please all that rain. Like, share, and subscribe. Ottawa Octane YouTube channel, Twitter page, RobbieStrike3, and for my webpage, RobbieStrike.com, and my Facebook page, Robbie Strike Videos. Please go there, like, follow, share, subscribe, share the videos there with all your friends, because doing so will make you go from this to this.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!